Good morning, children. How are you all? Fine? All are fine? Okay. So, today in this class, we are going to complete lesson 30 and 31. Today in this class, we are going to complete lesson 30 and 31. Lesson 30 is world quiz and 31 is national songs. National songs. In previous class, we have completed 2 chapters. What were the 2 chapters? These 2 chapters were 28 and 29. These 2 chapters were 28 and 29. So now we are going to complete lesson 30 and 31. 30 chapter is world quiz. World quiz. What is the meaning of quiz? What is the meaning of quiz? Quiz means asking questions. Quiz means asking questions. But here is given world quiz. World quiz means asking the question related to whole world. Asking the question related to whole world. Okay, so here some questions are there. Now I am going to ask, and with the help of help zone, you try to give the answer. Then I will tell the answers. First one is the world's largest petroleum producing country. The first question is the world's largest petroleum producing country. The answer is Saudi Arabia. What is the answer? The answer is Saudi Arabia. Again I am repeating. The world's largest petroleum producing country. The answer is Saudi Arabia. If you want, then you can write. Space is given in front of the question. You can write, or you write the number where help zone given. Clear? First one completed. Second, the country which is largest producer of the jute in the world. Which country is the largest producer of jute? What is the answer? The answer is India. India is the largest jute producing country. India is the largest jute producing country. Okay, the country which is the largest producer of the jute in the world, that is India. Write the spelling. If you know, then you write. Otherwise, you see from the help zone. Third one is the country which produces the maximum tin in the world. Tin we are using in our daily life. Tin we use in our daily life. So which country is the largest or the maximum tin producer? The answer is China. The answer is China. So China is the country which produces the maximum tin in the world. So the answer is tin. Please write the spelling TIN, tin, or you write the number. Words are given in the help zone. You write the number in front of China 3. Number 4. The country. Which country is the largest producer of rubber in the world? Which country is largest producer of rubber in the world? What is the use of rubber? What is the use of rubber? The use of rubber we use to make the sheet, rubber sheet. We are using rubber for erasing some things. When we are using the pencil or pen, so we use rubber to rub the things or erase the things. So, what is the largest producer of rubber in the world? The answer is Malaysia. The answer is Malaysia. Okay. Next is the largest coffee giving country in the world. The largest coffee growing country in the world. Which country grows the largest amount of coffee? in the world? The answer is Brazil. Answer is Brazil. Brazil produces the largest amount of coffee in the world. Sixth one is, what is the largest wool producing nation? Which country produces the largest amount of wool? Wool means, wool is a fiber from which we make the woolen clothes. This is the meaning. So which country producing the largest amount of wool? The answer is Australia. Answer is Australia. You see the help zone. Words are already written. You see. Next one. The country that accounts for 1/3 of the total teak production in the world. Which country? 1/3 of the total teak production. What is the teak? Teak is a name of tree which is very useful to make the furnitures. So what is the answer? The answer is Myanmar. The answer is Myanmar. M-Y-A-N-N-A-R. Myanmar. You write the spelling. Space is already given. If you want, then you write in front of the question, or you have to mark the number in front of the word. Next one is, which country known as the land of copper? Which country is known as the land of copper? Answer is Zambia. Answer is Zambia. Ninth, the country known as the sugar bowl of India. Sugar bowl of India. Which country is known as the sugar bowl of India? The answer is Cuba. The answer is Cuba. Cuba is known as the sugar bowl of the world. 10th one is, the world largest diamond producing country. The world producing country. The world largest diamond producing country in the world. That is, what is the answer? That is South Africa. That is South Africa. Okay. So these are the questions. Only 10 questions are given. And related to this world quiz, 5 questions. You all have to write 5 questions related to the world. Again, I am repeating all the questions with the answer. The world largest petroleum producing country, Saudi Arabia. The country which is the largest producer of the jute in the world, that is India. The country which produces the maximum tin in the world, the answer is China. 4th one is, the country is the largest producer of rubber in the world. Answer is Malaysia. The largest coffee growing country in the world, that is Brazil. The world largest wool producing nation, the answer is Australia. 7th one is, the country that accounts for 1/3 of the total teak production in the world, the answer is Myanmar. The country known as the land of copper, that is known as Zambia. The country known as sugar bowl of the world, the answer is Cuba. Cuba is known as the sugar bowl of the world. And the last 10th one, the world largest diamond producing country, that is South Africa. And here is given one, my notepad. Mexico is the largest producer of silver in the world. So you learn this. Now lesson 31. Lesson 31 is the national songs. National songs. Each country, many countries are in the world. Each country having their own national song. Each country follow their national song. So here our duty to respect the national songs of all the countries. So here some countries in this lesson, some name of some countries and the name of national songs are given. Just we have to find out from the help zone. Okay. First one is the Hundreds of Flowers. This is the national song of Nepal. Hundreds of flowers. This is the beginning words. Hundreds of flowers. This is the national song of Nepal. Up above the young rhine. Second one. Up above the young rhine. This is the national song of Liechtenstein. Liechtenstein. This is the answer. You see the spelling Liechtenstein. This is the answer of second one. Third, Jan Gan Man. You are the familiar of this national song. Jan Gan Man is the national song of India. Jan Gan Man is the national song of India. Fourth one, the land of mountain, land of river. Land of mountain, land of river. This is the national song of Austria. Not Australia, Austria. Next, may your reason last forever. This is the national song of Japan. Hymn to Freedom. Sixth one, Hymn to Freedom. This is the national song of Greece. Next, La Marseillaise. This is the national song of France. See the keywords or the help zone. You see the name. And next, Star Spangled Banner. This is the national song of USA. Proudly Rise the Balkan Peaks. This is the national song of Bulgaria. Now, Biladi. This is the national song of Egypt. 11th one, the song of Brabant. This is the national song of Belgium. See the spelling of Belgium from the help zone. Don't write the wrong spelling. The song of Brabant. This is the national song of Bangladesh. Next, Amar Sonar Bangla. Amar Sonar Bangla. This is the national song of Bangladesh. This is the Bengali language. There is a lovely country. This is the national song of Denmark. Next, Kosi Shikali, Africa. This is the national song of South Africa. The Maple Leaf. This is the national song of Canada. Mujla Singapura. This is the national song of Singapore. Wimbo Wa Tafia. This is the national song of Kenya. God Save the Queen. This is the national song of UK. God Bless the Sultan. This is the national song of Brunei. And the Thunder Dragon Kingdom. This is the national song of Bhutan. So here 20 countries, name of countries given and their national songs are given. So here our duty to respect the national song of the countries and we have to give respect to all the national songs. Now your homework is to learn lesson 30 and 31. So in this class, what you studied? In this class we studied about some facts related to world and about the national songs of the world of some countries. So your homework, you have to learn lesson 30 and 31. Thank you.